Alright, let's continue. Chapter 5 Part B, Hypothesis Testing for Population Mean. So 5.2, Statistical Analysis for one Population Mean. How to test the hypothesis for one population mean, one mu. Let's look at example 5.1b. From a random sample of 100 students who passed a statistics course, the average score was 71.8. Assuming that the population standard deviation is 8.9, does it seem to signify that the average score is more than 70 at significant level 0.05? Okay, from the question, extract the information first. Okay, extract the information first. From a random sample 100 student, so n equals to 100. Who pass a statistic course, the average score. So daripada 100 sampel, dia punya mean adalah 71.8. So dia dah ambil sampel. So x bar equals to 71.8. Assuming that the population standard deviation, the symbol is sigma, equals to 8.9. Does it seem to signify that the average score mu is more than 70 at alpha 0.05? So alpha 0.05. The question asks for, is it mu more than 70? Okay, first, step 1. Formulate your hypothesis. H null and H1. So, what is the notation here? Mu. So, you put here mu. And then, symbol more than. More than, the symbol is this. H null or H1? There is no equal sign, right? So, H1 more than. If H1 more than, H null will be less than and equal, opposite. Equal to what? More than what? 70 is your mu naught. So 70. So this one will be your claim. The hypothesis that you write down first will be your claim. So here is 70. So settle step number 1. Okay, step number 2, your test statistic. Test statistic, look at the formula. Okay, you have n is 100, sigma is known. Look at the formula. Look at the formula. Sigma square is known. So use this formula. Hypothesis testing for mu. So the test is Z test. So this is the formula. Okay, the formula is Z test is equals to x bar minus mu naught over sigma over square root n. Substitute the information. Our x bar is 71.8 minus mu naught. Here is mu naught. 70 over sigma 8.9 square root 100. Okay, press your calculator. You will get 2.0225. This is your Z test. Okay, next. Step number 3 is your critical value. One tail or two tail? Okay, look at your H1. H1 greater than. H1 greater than, you will have one tail right. One tail right will look like this. Shaded region on the right, and we put the plus sign. How to find the critical value? So here is Z test, right? So here will be your Z alpha. Alpha cannot be divided by 2 because of one tail. So our alpha is 0.05. Look at your stat table. Z 0.05 is equals to 1.6449. So you put here positive 1.6449. Okay, that's it. Step number 4. For step number 4 is your decision. You want to reject or accept H null. Okay, how to reject or accept H null? Look at your Z test. Z test is 2.0225. Look at your shaded region here. 2.0225, is it located at the shaded region or unshaded region? Okay, 2.0225 is more than 1.6449. Dia dah melepasi ini. Dia berada di dalam rejection region. So because of the test statistic is in the rejection region, you have to reject H null. So you write down, since Z test is equals to 2.0225 greater than Z 0.05 1.6449, you have to reject H null. Okay, and then step number 5, your conclusion. Okay, what is our conclusion? At alpha 0.05, there is enough evidence to support claim that the average score more than 70 means that you support your claim here. You reject H null. Okay, you reject this H null. You accept this H1. So we said that there is enough evidence. So where is the evidence? Step number 2, step number 3, and step number 4 shows that we reject H null. We reject the H null. So we support our claim that the mu is more than 70.